Today, I'm excited to announce the release of stacked and nested presets for Divi 5. This is an incredibly powerful upgrade that makes Divi's preset-based design system simply the best. Don't skip this video because if you are a Divi user, this is a feature you must master. Now, you can stack multiple presets on any group or element, and you can nest group presets inside element presets. Let me show you how it works. Presets are amazing. For example, I can create a default button preset for my website, and all my buttons will inherit its base attributes. I can also create alternative presets and assign them to specific buttons. When I edit a preset, all elements using that preset are updated simultaneously across my entire site. They work a lot like CSS classes, except Divi's presets are much more powerful than the class-based design systems of other builders, encompassing not only styles but also structural output, back-end logic, and script data, which means they can do just about anything. Now, presets are even more flexible. First, you can stack multiple presets on any element or group. For example, my website has alternating dark and light sections. It's super convenient to create a light mode preset that sets my text colors to white so that I can quickly apply it every time I'm working on a dark background. I also have convenient presets that control text and image alignment. There are 3 presets for placing the image at the top, on the left, and on the right of my text. It's so easy. But what if I want to use my left-aligned preset on top of a dark section? Previously, you could only use one preset per element. Now you can stack those presets on top of each other, and the element will use both. My element gets light text from the light mode preset and left-aligned image from my left mode preset. Unlike other builders, Divi's preset system has a unique edge, as presets can be created not only at the element level, but also at the option level. For example, I can create a border radius preset and apply it to anything. Since presets can be stacked, you can even make a base preset to control the border radius and stack additional presets on top to control border width and color. With a single preset controlling the radius, only a single preset needs to be updated to adjust the border radius across all elements. But here's the real kicker. You can also nest option presets inside element presets. Returning to the element presets I was working with earlier, I could, for example, nest my title text preset inside the base element presets I created for the blurb module. Now, my title text preset gets added automatically when I use the parent element preset, and I still have the freedom to use that option preset explicitly at the element level. It seems so simple, it's almost easy to disregard, but once you wrap your head around the concept, you'll realize how powerful Divi's preset system has become. In case you missed it, we recently released nested modules for Divi 5. It significantly enhances the versatility of Divi elements and lays the foundation for an advanced component-based menu builder. Now you can add modules inside other modules with infinite nestability, build custom layouts within sliders, tabs, accordions, and other elements. For more information, a link is provided in the video description. Thanks for watching, and before you go, I have one favor to ask. If you're excited about stacked and nested presets, please like this video and leave a comment. It means a lot to see you cheering Divi on, and it's essential to feed the algorithm and spread the word. Don't forget to follow and subscribe so you never miss an update, and I'll see you soon for another Divi 5 feature announcement, which I promise is right around the corner.